exaggerating their voices. They had, that is 8 taps in this guy's phone. So they,
Who's that name?
What's the description of the vehicle again?
It's going to be a U-Haul. That's going to be just
National 1, speed 75, moderate traffic, I'm going to have to wave back for our TBI.
75 miles per hour, 440 Eastern Class 1. We're unable to patch because they are patched.
5536, we're still on Little Rock. Please relay my information.
10-4, secondary.
10-4,
We're 440 eastbound, coming up on the 3, speed about 80, left-hand lane.
80 miles an hour, coming up on the 3.
Gonna be light traffic, speed still 75, coming up on the 3.
475 miles an hour, light traffic.
36 and a box truck or pickup. It's a van. We took the 3. We're gonna be TBI.
TBI 777.
He's gonna come out of it. We're southbound on Bankhead.
Southbound on Bankhead.
Traffic's light, speed 60.
Light traffic, 60 miles an hour.
5. Second TBI drove out of it. On the street, southbound, speed 40.
I'm going to have to wait till I'm up until 36. It's pretty heavy, man.
Yeah, this one. Speed still 60. That's on a Young Street. He's driving in the other lane. We're at Fraser now. He's going to be eastbound on Fraser from Jones.
Eastbound on Fraser.
Please stop! Please stop! I will! Car! I will! My dog! My dog! You're the fucking car! Please stop! Please stop! Please stop! Please stop! Please stop! Hey, I'm going to! I said please stop! Please stop! Hey! Get out of the car now! Please stop! Let go! Get on the ground! Hands behind your back! Do it now! I'm on the ground! Do your hands behind your back now! I will break this arm! I told you I'm on the ground! Break this arm! I'm on the ground! I'm on the ground! I got you. I'm on the ground.